Alright guys, welcome to Codeside Academy, a Python tutorial. I am Aniko Victor. I'm going to be the instructor for this tutorial. If you are watching me right now, that's because you want to learn Python, obviously. Okay, you might be a programmer and you are looking forward to advance your programming experience with Python programming language. Good one. You might be a beginner to programming and your first language is Python. Fantastic. Python is beginners friendly, alright, and it's also quick to do whatever you want to do with, even if you are a programmer before. It's human friendly and it's machine friendly. It's human friendly because of its readable syntaxes, alright. It's also machine friendly because it's being interpreted fast. All right, it has a quick interpreter that can interpret Python code to machine source codes. All right, okay, so that's what I mean by it's user friendly and it's machine friendly. Okay, all right. So what I also want to tell you is Python has an active and continuous growing community. Okay, if you're ever going to have an issue, the community got your back. As a matter of fact, if you have any issue, Google it. The first one or two links is going to give you the answer to the issues you are facing. All right, okay. This tutorial has a total of 37 lectures, including projects for you to lay your hands on, all right, to see how things are being done in Python programming languages, to get you familiarized with syntaxes, all right, and so on. Is that clear? Okay, hopefully that is clear. Okay, well, you might want to ask, what is Python used for, or what can Python do? If you're asking this question right now, you are not the first person. Maybe I myself, I must have asked that question before I started learning Python. Okay, and even till now I still get this same question from people who are from some of my students. All right, I've been an instructor for over 2 years. All right, that's to gain your confidence. Okay, now let's talk about what Python is used for. What can Python use for? Okay, without dragging it too far, we're going to be talking about the internet of this day. There's nobody in the world of our internet today that's not aware of Google, of course. Google has Python as its backend technology. You might have been hearing this for the first time, but that's the truth. You could check that out by yourself. All right. Another famous one is YouTube. YouTube is one popular social app, all right, that is known all over the world today. It has Python as its back-end technology. Instagram has Python as its back-end language too, and using the Django framework to be specific. Quora, right? You are familiar with Quora. Dropbox, right? Netflix, to mention but few. These are the live and running products that are built with Python. Okay, if you're going to be learning Python with me in a no long time, you are going to be able to do something as like the ones I've mentioned above, right? You're going to be emulating building something like YouTube, emulating building something like something like Quora, okay, streaming sites like Netflix and YouTube, yeah, etc. Okay, all right, so that is that. If you're a beginner in this course, that is fine. If you are already programming before, it's still fine. But what we are focused on in Codeside Academy is to keep it beginners friendly. Okay, journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, right? What if you are teaching a child how to walk, right? You're going to take it easy with them. That's what we intend to achieve with this tutorial. we are going to be moving from an absolute beginner to intermediate, then advanced Python programmer. By then you will now be good to make use of frameworks. Okay, all right, that is that. If you're going to be with me in the next tutorial, we are going to be discussing on how to install Python, how to set up Python, getting you introduced to Python environment, and how to write your first application, that is the Hello World application. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to see you in this tutorial.